Hi friends, welcome to my channel Mathematics Idea. This video is also available in Hindi. यह वीडियो हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है. If you are first time viewing this channel, then I will request you to please go and subscribe the channel. Please press the like if you are happy with the content and share as much as you can. It is going to help the next person. Today we are at introduction session for this Mathematics Idea channel. Okay, so we will discuss what is the motive of this channel. Once again, hi, and I am Gopi Krishna, a maths teacher. This channel Mathematics Idea is the complete guide for the mathematics of class 11th and 12th. This channel is going to bridge the gap between the basics and competitive for you. Okay. Now in this today's session, I will be suggesting you that how you will be able to bridge this gap. You will be having several questions, right? That how you are going to do this, how this channel is going to help you. These are all the questions which will be arising on you, right? So I will discuss today on what are all the elements of this channel will be able you to get this thing done. Okay? So we will discuss about the elements or the design of this channel in today's session. Before going forward, I just want to emphasize on one of the line that nothing is built on a day. In a single day, no one can build anything. Okay? So you have to be very hardworking and putting your efforts from first day itself to get the competitive thing done. Okay, to get into the level of the competition, you have to put all your efforts, okay, to get it done. Now the tagline of this channel is practice takes you beyond the light. Okay, once you practice so much, the way you connect with the ideas, the way you connect with the formulas, the way you connect with the way of doing the procedure of the mathematics steps, it will be a lightning strike or more speed than a lightning strike. How it is possible? This is only possible by doing a practice, and it is not done in a day. Okay, practice will take you on the par in the competitive level. Okay, if suppose there is no power or there is no light, your hand knows how to put something on your mouth or how to touch any of your organ. How it knows? This is all due to practice. Okay, without a light itself, you will be able to navigate to each and every part of your body. Okay, this and all is happening only due to the practice. So that's why the tagline practice takes us beyond the light is having a very high significance. Okay, so you have a command on the practice. I will be providing all the elements to make you a competitive. Okay, for these words, now let's start with our today's section, that how we are going to design these channels and how it is going to help you. Next, move on to the design of the channel. Now let's start the design section. The first intent of this channel is to improve your basics first. Without the basics, you can't do anything. Okay? You just keep it in your mind that without basics you can't do anything. So first intent is improving the basics. Improving the basics. How it is done? So I have three elements for it. One is introduction. Second is detailed explanation. And third is workshop session. Okay, first is introduction, next is detailed explanation, and third is workshop session. What is the introduction? For any of the chapter in class 11th or 12th you take, it may be matrices, trigonometry, mathematical induction, any chapter, it will have introduction. Introduction will take you towards the subject. Okay, it will take you towards the subject. It will tell what the subject is. So it is basically a flow towards the subject. Okay, it will take you towards the subject. What is the importance of that topic? Okay, it will tell you about that. So it consists of concept and theory both. Okay, it will have concept and theory both. Many people will think what to do with theory in mathematics, but I will tell you sincerely that introduction, it will be only one video which I will be publishing. Okay, and that will be very helpful for you to understand the topic more. If you go directly to a detailed explanation, it will be like a jump. It will be like a jump for you, that after completing one of the topic you had jumped to the another one. Okay, so this introduction will be helping you to continue the flow towards the subject. Okay, next is detailed explanation. What we are going to do in the detailed explanation? In detailed explanation class, we will be working on method, formulae. Okay, we will be working on methods and formulae. Like for matrix, how to find the adjoint, how to get inverse, what is determinant. These are all things will be covered in the detailed explanation class. Okay, in detailed explanation class, I will be damn slow in explaining each and every concept. I will be damn slow in explaining each and every concept. I will be doing a sample problem also for each and every concept in that one. Okay, and based on the formula also I will be doing one of the sample problem in detailed explanation class. Okay, so this detailed explanation class will make you clear about methods and formulas which are all for those top mathematical topics. Okay, now what are all these workshop sessions? Workshop sessions are consist of your exercise problems. This is having exercise problems. Okay, this will be having exercise problems. So each and every exercise problems of your textbook will be done over here. If some problems are not done, then I had seen certain similarities in those problems with some other things. That's why I would not have done that problem in the workshop session. Okay, it's not that every problem of your textbook is done in this workshop session. No, I will be a guide to you, I will be a mentor to you to get the problems done. If there is some replication of the concept, then I will not be doing that problem. Okay, now introduction, detailed explanation class and workshop session. This is totally based on your textbook content. Okay, whatever your textbook contains, these will be having that. So this is how you will be improving the basics. Okay, now in your NCERT there are some exercises such as miscellaneous exercise. Those miscellaneous exercise will be taking you towards somewhat competitive. Okay, those miscellaneous exercise will be taking you somewhat towards competitive. Now with that, will you be able to become a competitive? No, right? So for that I have designed a next section which will be taking you towards the competition. Okay, now let's move on to the next section. Now let's move on to the next section, which is how to be competitive. Okay, so to be competitive, we are coming up with first special concept. Number second, advanced workshop session. and number third, competitive series. Competitive series. So what does a special concept will have? So I told you that detailed explanation class will be having all the contents from textbook. There are some contents which are outside of the textbook, like the relation between angles with the sides, with the in circle and the side. Okay, those all concepts in the trigonometry which are not at all there in your textbook will be discussed over here in special concept. Are you getting it? Those topics which are out of the NCERT and which is required for your competitive exams will be discussed in the special concept in very detail. Okay. Next is advanced workshop session. The problems based on the special concept will be done in the advanced workshop session. This will be a theory, practical problems which will be done on this session, and we will be doing in a subjective way in advanced workshop session. In advanced workshop session, we will be doing in the subjective way. Okay. Now, what is this competitive series? Competitive series will be having the objective questions. This will be the subjective and this will be the objective questions in competitive series, right? There will be some exams like NDA, right? So preparation of all those exams will be done in this competitive series. Are you getting it? Okay. So now we are going to build our basics. We are going to become a competitive with these elements. Now I told to build the basics, we will be having introduction section, we will be having detailed explanation, and we will be having a workshop session. In introduction and detailed explanation class, I will be involving some of the images in between my videos. Please stop over there and have a look on those images. That images will be hardly of 5 seconds in the video, but I will suggest you to stop and read it completely and make the notes. Okay. Now once you come to the workshop session, I will be giving the problem for only 5 seconds. I will again ask you to stop at that point and read the question properly and understand it and digest it. After that only proceed towards the solution, where I will be explaining the solution. Okay. I will once again urge you to follow this sequence. Okay, for the basics sessions, and same thing you continue for the competitive as well. Okay. Over these elements, there is one more section which is helping classes. What are the helping classes? Helping classes are those classes which will be having the concepts of lower class. Okay, which will be having the concepts of the lower classes, like algebra, which is having a splitting middle term, or having a discriminant formula minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, or something from trigonometry which you had studied in class 10th, or something from you can say log which you had have studied in your lower class. Those all things, it is very difficult to remember 7th or 8th or 9th thing, 9th concepts once you come to class 11th. Okay, so we will be revising those all concepts and keeping all the students in same platform first before coming to the class 11th thing. So these helping classes are designed to keep all the students in the same platform first. After that, you will go to your introduction, detailed explanation, workshop sessions. After that, there will be a competitive series. You can go and attend that. Are you getting it? So this is what all about this channel, and this is how it is going to be designed. Okay. So once again, I am going to tell you that nothing is built on a day. You have to do a hard practice. You have to do a rigorous practice, I can say, rather than to be a competitive and to be very good in your fundamentals and basics. Okay. If you are happy with the content, please press like, share and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the notification. For the further content and for the further problems, Please stay connected with my channel. Thank you and happy viewing.